Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we are learning one of the most powerful and commonly used functions in Excel, that is Vlookup. Vlookup simply stands for vertical lookup. It helps you to search for a value in the first column of a table and return the related information from the another column in the same row. It is perfect when you have a table of data like products, students or employees, just like the one that you see them here, and especially when you want to quickly look up for the details based on the ID or any other code, we can actually go for the VLOOKUP function in Excel. Let me show you a practical example using this employee table that I have. Here on the left side of the screen, we have a list of employees. Each row contains employee ID, name, department and salary. What we want to do with this particular table is that when a user types an employee ID, let's say for example I'm going to type any one of the employee ID from this table, let's say for example I'm going to say 1001, you should be able to automatically pick the name of the employee, the department that they belongs to, and the salary that particular person is getting. This is what we are going to learn in this particular tutorial. Let's learn how to use VLOOKUP function to bring this data automatically from this particular table. To start with, let's say for example, when the user enters the employee ID, we have to bring in the name. For that, I'm going to make use of the VLOOKUP function. Go to this particular cell where you want to display the corresponding name of the employee. Put equal sign. We are going to use VLOOKUP function. This particular VLOOKUP function will take four values as you can see them here. First is the lookup value. What is our lookup value here? Employee ID. Where is the employee ID? It is coming from this particular cell. That's the first parameter. Then the second parameter is the table array. So we are going to look for this particular employee ID from the entire table. So for that, as a second parameter, we are going to select all these details from the table. That is going to be our table array, which is our second parameter. And then the third parameter is a column index. Here, what do you want to display? The name of an employee when the user enters the employee ID. So this is a column number 1, this is a column number 2. Since we want to display the name is found in the column number 2, let's put 2. Then the final value has to be either true or false. When you put true, it simply means we are trying to match even when the value is approximate. When you put false, it simply means we are looking for an exact match. Which one do you want? Do you need an approximate match or an exact match? I'm sure that we want an exact match, isn't it so? So for that, let's just say false. Let's hit enter. So for this employee ID, the exact match is what? Alice. I'm sure that you can able to see. In a similar way, we are going to use the VLOOKUP function for the other two fields. The first one is a lookup value, in this case an employee ID. The next one is to select the entire table. Third one is the column number for the department. Column number for the department is 3. Put 3, comma false. Let's go to the next one. VLOOKUP. Lookup value is an employee ID. Select the table. Column number for the salary is 4. And then we are going to say false. Hit enter. That's it guys. This is the power of VLOOKUP function in Excel. In case if you want to test whether this one is working or not, try to change the employee ID. Let's say I'm going to say 1008. You would see that it is automatically being updated. I also have a task for you which is similar to the one that we did. Try to do this task in your free time and let me know if you have any challenges in the comment section. For more tutorial video like this, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Thank you.